Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to block spam emails in your Gmail. Once you're in your Gmail account, click on the spam folder. If you can't find it on your folder, you click on the more button, then click on the spam folder. Once it's opened, you scroll through and open the spam email you want to block. Now, you click on the three dots at the right hand beside the email. Select block the sender. Gmail will ask you to confirm if you really want to block the spam email. So you click on block again and it will be added to the block list. And this sender will permanently be blocked and you won't receive any mail from the sender. Thanks for watching guys. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.